We've all heard the horror stories of lost damage or luggage in transit, forcing the owner of said luggage to scramble and buy replacement outfits, chargers, and other pricey items. Many travelers don't even bother checking their bags just to avoid the potential nightmare. This usually means they try to stuff a large suitcase worth of belongings into a small carry-on. Hi, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and if you're looking to travel light, you've got to make sure you're making the most of everything a typical carry-on has to offer. If you're traveling with only a carry-on, your bag and all of its contents first have to meet TSA requirements. You only get to bring one quart-size reusable bag for all liquids and other toiletries, which should be 3.4 ounces or less. It's best to make sure all of these things are accessible so you can remove them while going through airport security. Many domestic airlines, such as American, Southwest, and Frontier, limit bag sizes of 22 by 14 by 10 inches to ensure carry-ons can be secured in overhead storage bins. However, others like Delta and United require bags to be a little bit smaller, and international flights usually stop bag height at to be no taller than 21 inches. Anything bigger than these will have to get checked at the gate. And while most airlines don't specify weight restrictions, it's always important to look up the specific requirements for your preferred airlines, just to be safe. Since many international vacations involve staying in different hostels, hotels, and rentals, it helps to stick with a carry-on bag. However, when it comes to traveling internationally, packing enough in only one carry-on can seem impossible. But don't worry, there are ways to maximize space to accommodate a week's worth of clothing that can be laundered and reworn. What to pack depends on your destination and individual needs. First, make a packing checklist by considering the weather, terrain, activities, transport, and events. If you'll be on excursions, think about the level of comfort and ease you need to enjoy your time away. Then pack versatile clothing items that you can mix and match into several different outfits. It's worth investing in a set of packing cubes because it really does simplify the entire process. It saves space and time and just keeps everything really organized, but that's in another video. Check it out on our channel. While it takes some planning and experimentation, it is possible to travel without checking luggage. Carry-ons are sizable enough to hold your essentials, and if you pack wisely, maybe even more. Once again, I'm Zach from Best Reviews. Comment your thoughts below, give us a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. And if you're still trying to figure out which carry-on is right for you, we actually have a video where we compared all the top brands so you don't have to. Happy travels and have fun out there.